What it do, man? It's your favorite detailer, Brandon, back with another vid. It's just a maintenance wash on this good old Jeep. Y'all done seen it a few times. It's the 4th of July, so I started this one about 7 o'clock in the morning to go and get it over with. As y'all can see, it was nothing, just a maintenance wash. Same old, same old. Right now, I just finished a Subaru Outback, full detail. I didn't catch the footage of the before. It's kind of hot out here, but let me give y'all the after. As y'all can see on this walk around, nice wash, clay, and a sealant. Tie shine rims, you know, came out pretty good though. I like the gloss. Last but not least, in these H-Time streets, this Acura ILX interior only detail, as y'all can see, it was kind of bad, not too bad, but you know what I came to do. see this seat while I clean and while I'm about to clean. Yeah, man, you know what it is. But spray my little solution. I'm using this awesome little brush. This make leather cleanup a breeze. I'm telling you, big fella. Okay, finished product. Took me about 2 hours for the interior only, but y'all seen where it was. Y'all see where it's at now. I want to tell y'all, thank y'all for watching and steady rocking with Father & Sons Mobile Detailing. It's all love already, man. 100.